Does cracking your knuckles really give you arthritis? Wait, what? We've all been told this since childhood. Stop cracking your knuckles or you'll ruin your joints. But is that really true? Science says, nope. Multiple studies found no link between cracking and arthritis. The popping sound? It's just tiny gas bubbles bursting in the fluid around your joints. In fact, one doctor cracked the knuckles on one hand every day for 60 years. And guess what? No arthritis at all. So the next time someone says, "Stop that," you can reply, "Science is on my side." Did you believe this myth? Comment below and tag your knuckle-cracking friend.